morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning from right now. So I am live again. Hello. Ay. Just checking. Oh, let me just see. Oh, tama, naka-live. So, by the way, to those who are first time to see me, my name is Julie Ann, and my friends and families call me Jao. So yes, and I am a digital business owner and a mentor, and I have this website which is www.josonkit.com, and I have the Facebook page Jao and Kids, and my that is my business page, I mean, and my Facebook page, which is Lay Abad. And yes, I am a digital business owner and a mentor, which we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And you might see me every day because I'm having this live for it will be a 90 day success challenge, and today is our 57th day. So and every day we have a certain topic. And before we're gonna jump into that one, just want to share you something which might be interested to you. So let's gonna be talk about favorites, o di ba? Kayo ba may mga favorite ba kayo? May mga iniisip pa kayong mga yung parang favorite na kahit na anong favorite na kulay, favorite na pagkain, favorite na place, or favorite place to hang out, favorite clothing, ayan, favorite color, ayan. So, but for today, we're gonna be talking about favorite tools on the business. Because yes, I have a business right now, and it's a digital online business. So we're gonna be sharing about our favorite tools on what we use on our business. So, but before that, I just want to share you something about because I'm fond of. If you ask me about favorites, one of my favorite na na pinapakinggan or nalalaman is about favorite yung Tree of Life. Yan. That's why I have a Tree of Life on my sala. Lahat ng mga nakalagay diyan may mga ibig sabihin or may mga yes, Tree of Life, one of my favorite na na decor or parang nagiging interesado ako, which I'm interested with. Because we know naman if we speak of Tree of Life, meron yan sa kahit saan, Bible, lahat. Bible, culture, ano ba, iba-ibang places, mga tribe, yan. There is a tree of life that they talk about. And especially sa Christianity, being a Christian, being in a Catholic religion, we have a tree of life. And that is the tree of knowledge, knowing good and evil. O, di ba? So, pero na-curious lang ako sa Tree of Life na 'yan. It's because and it became my favorite. That's why when one of my uncles, mentioned that he is going to Africa, kasi yan yung dun ko unang nadinig yung Tree of Life, from The Lion King. Ayan, na movie kung nanonood ba kayo ng Disney movies, Disney shows. Yes, they talked about Tree of Life. Kaya ako naging interesado dyan. Pati yung Cycle of Life. Oh, yan. Ewan ko, parang naging ano ko dyan. And like in Christianity nga, yun, Tree of Knowledge, di ba? Which is knowing good and evil. And which symbolizes Tree of Life. And if we speak about Tree of Life, it symbolizes eternal life, connection to God and humanity. Kaya parang nakaka-interest talaga. And then, sa Africa, nalaman ko na yung baobab tree. They have the baobab tree na Tree of Life na sinasabi. It's because it's a very big tree na walang masyado, akala mo patay siya kasi wala siyang mga leaves, mga puno lang na may trunks, may mga branches. But you know what? It has a life. It gives a good shelter, food, and water for the Africans. Yes. And sa Pilipinas, we also have Tree of Life. And do you know that Tree of Life, tinanong ko yung nanay ko, ano nga ba ang Tree of Life ng Pilipinas? And she answered, niyog, coconut. So, coconut is the Tree of Life of Philippines. Tinatawag nilang Tree of Life yan. Bakit? Because it serves as a ano to, shelter din, di ba? Kasi yung leaves niya, yan, shelter. Yung trunk niya, ginagawa nilang shelter. And it gives fruit, food, and shelter, food, and water para sa mga tao. So, it is really a tree of life. Yan. Kaya ako naging favorite ang tree of life na isang pinag-uusapan or something. So, and I have it in my sala because it represents nga naman connection to it's a connection to eternal life, to God and humanity. So, yan. Kaya naging favorite movie ko din ang Avatar because it shows how you are interconnected with everyone, with anyone around you that surrounds you. So, yon. So, shout out lang muna sa aking mga viewers at saka sa aking dumating ngayon at nagbigay ng ating greetings. Tita Beth, hello po Tita Beth. Aba, first honor si Tita Beth ngayon. Zap, anong masasabi mo, Zap? Oh, second ka. Hello, hello. And si Art and Gina, hello po. Hi, thank you for coming into my live. And for today's topic, because we are in online digital business, we're gonna be talking about tools our favorite tools in the business. So, yun yung kagandahan sa business namin eh. Kasi we don't have that marami na mga tools na gagamitin. And for me, I will just point out three, which is I mainly use every day to my digital business. Tsaka ito yung gusto naming i-share sa lahat when it comes to business. This is the hindi naman cheapest, but it's the most affordable way to go dahil like having a franchise, may franchise ka na, pero yung kagandahan nito, wala kang office, which is your office is your home, your comfort, paulit-ulitin naman ako. Comfort ng home mo. Tapos wala kang masyadong gamit. Kaya napakaganda talaga, sulit na sulit. Kasi just like traditional businesses, you will have a lot. Staff, office, desk, tables, computers, papers, everything. So lahat. And dito lang sa business namin is simple lang. At ito yung i-discuss ko sa inyo. And this is what we do or what we use every day. So, syempre, we're gonna be talking about tangible things. Hindi pala, kahit na-discuss ko ang apat. I usually go with 3, but for now, I will just discuss 4. So, tangible and intangible things. O, di ba? So, yung pang-apat ko siguro is the computers. Syempre, lahat tayo gumagamit ng computer nowadays. Cellphones, yan, gadget. I think it's the gadgets, which is the cell phone and laptop. Na yun naman yung main kasi we don't have an office and this will serve as yung gamit para makapasok kami sa digital space namin, which is our office. O, di ba? So may virtual office kami, napakalaki. At saka in grande talaga. And it's worldwide, 'di ba? So, yun yung pang-apat ko, favorite na tool. Kasi kung wala ito, hindi ko makikita yung mga magandang nagko-comment sa akin at saka hindi ko makikita ang mga magagandang mukha ng aking mga business partners, o 'di ba? So, yes, computer or gadget or cell phone, yeah, basta gadget, which is the computer and cell phone and iPad. That's it. And Third one is Wi-Fi. Di ba? Dahil digital online business tayo, we need a Wi-Fi. So tsaka lahat naman ngayon, lahat ng mga bahay may Wi-Fi. Wala namang hindi ko alam kung sinong mga walang may Wi-Fi, at tsaka lahat naka-data, o 'di ba? So, pati nga homeless dito sa Amerika may ano, may cellphone na at tsaka may Wi-Fi, oh, 'di ba? Sabihin niyo pa kaya na wala kayong Wi-Fi? So, yes, in our online digital business, we usually use Wi-Fi for our business. That's why everywhere naman may Wi-Fi, we can bring our laptop, our cell phone, just open our Wi-Fi and yes, voila, nasa office na tayo. Nasa napakalaking office na tayo na in grande, which is the virtual space. So that is my pangatlo, which is the Wi-Fi. The second is Canva. Naging favorite ko ang Canva. Nung una, sige sabihin natin hindi tayo tech savvy lahat. Actually, hindi naman talaga ako tech savvy, eh. I don't usually do videos, I don't edit, yan. Kung ano lang yung mga pinicture ko, ano yung tinake kong videos, I just post it on my Facebook account or on my Instagram and that's it. Tapos nung slowly na, ito na nga parang lumalabas na nga sa Facebook, sa Instagram na may sarili na silang own editing tools, 'di ba? So I started on that one. But when I came into the business, I was not a tech savvy, but I was able to learn it. It was very fun to use it, 'di ba? Ang maganda siya at saka nagiging the more you do it, the more you use it, nagiging ano na sa'yo, nagiging mas madali na sa'yo. Nung pag-una lang na makikita mo, unang introduction lang sa'yo is parang mapapakamot ka sa ulo, maiinis ka, may masasabi ka pang masasamang ano, but that's part of learning, 'di ba? So first, initially, you will still feel because you will feel hesitant and you will feel the challenge, the struggles. But as you go along the way, you will get used to it and then you will have more fun doing it. Yung nakakatuwa kasi sa Canva is ang dami mong pagpipilian, ang dami mong it's more like pro ang dating and then you can customize it. That's the kagandahan ng Canva. And so that is the only actually may isa pa na akong ginagamit. Dalawa lang ang ginagamit ko. It's only Canva and CapCut and that's it. CapCut I use less but it's more of Canva. So favorite ng Canva. O 'di ba? Pagdating sa mga editing tools at saka sa mga paggawa ng mga banners, mga postings, yan, Canva. And we usually use that because yes, we are in attraction marketing, so we have to challenge ourselves to make banners, postings for every day, and that's the only tool that I can use. Pero kapag sasabihin niyo na, "Oh, parang hindi sa akin 'yan kasi I'm not a tech savvy or I don't use or I don't know how to use Canva." But no, you can do it because we have a lot of business partners who were able to make it. And then ngayon na sila-sila na lang yung gumagawa ng kanilang Canva. But yes, unang-una naman is really a struggle, 'di ba? Kung unang natututo tayo sa isang bagay, pero kapag talagang hesitant ka at ayaw mo, ay wala talagang mangyayari sa buhay, 'di ba? At saka hindi talaga magpo-progress ang business, oh, 'di ba? So, if you really want to make something new and something to change your life, then you have to do something new. You have to learn some adventures in life, 'di ba? So, yun yung kagandahan. And yeah, talking about favorite and editing tools, that is my favorite, the Canva. And the uh meron yung iba, ano pa ba 'to? Yeah, yung about sa AI, I think Canva, CapCut is the easiest one or easiest tool to use because it's more explanatory tsaka mas madaling masundan. I haven't tried any ano, bakit nga ba ako nagsasalita na yun yung pinakamadali? I haven't tried any other tools. But I only use CapCut and Canva and my favorite is Canva. That's it. Pinahirapan pa ang sarili. And then, before I will talk about our first na tool, na pinaka-favorite na tool ko, at saka bakit yun ang number one ko, I will just greet these people who came into my life. And wow, si Ate Elisa. Hi, Ate Elisa. Yeah, and she's one of our living testimony. Si Ate Elisa po, galing na niyang gumawa ng kanyang Canva and postings, and I congratulate her and salute her for doing that. Oh my gosh, a big shout out to her. Hello sis! And Rachel, hi sis Rachel, nahuli mo din ako ngayong araw na to. Hello girl! And thank you for coming into my live and congratulations watching live from Texas while working out. Aba, buti pa siya may time na mag-workout. And I think that's the next challenge that I had to do about 30 days, maybe 30 days success challenge ng about self-care. Parang may isa-suggest ako kay Sister Maristella. And hello, Sis Genevieve. How are you? Let's go live na, sis. And welcome back to the US of A. I hope you came back already safe and sound. So, aba, si JK from Korea. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Hello JK, and thank you for aba, anong greetings natin for Koreans? Anyang sa'yo? Anong nangyari sa'yo? So, yes. So, talking about, let's go back. So, talking about favorites and my top one. So, we've talked about because we're working in digital online business, we've talked about editing tools, Canva, yung tangible things, which is the computer, the gadgets, the computer, cell phone, and the intangible, yung working space is the Wi-Fi, di ba? Yung connection. And yung pinaka first na aking favorite is the ano ang aking number one na favorite? Pero before that kayo, ano nga ba ang mga favorite ninyo? Favorite na pagkain? May unang sumagot ba? Ganun eh. Sagot! Ang tanong, ano ang favorite na food ninyo? Sagot na. Kay Casey, ano yun? Kentucky chicken? Ow! Yung alam ko, Kentucky chicken. Ganun eh. So, muna naman ang sinasabi ni, sige, say it louder, JK, para masamahan niya sa aking live. Silipin ko nga kung saan siya. Aba, si Shay. Hi, si Shay! Thank you for coming into my live. It's been long time. Seafood, see you. Seafood, ako yung nakikita ko lang na food eh. Yun ang aking favorite. Hindi talagang kung ano yung nakita ko, yun na. Favorite ko na yun. No, di ba? Korean chicken, Oh, may Korean chicken pala. Akala ko Kentucky chicken. Kentucky na lang, nandito tayo sa Amerika eh. So, Kentucky chicken. So, yes. Same. Oo nga. Di ba? Di ba, Shay? Kung ano yung nakikitang pagkain, yun na yung seafood. My favorite food ay seafood. Di ba? So, yun. Yeah, and my favorite talaga, yung number one na talaga na nagpa-shock sa akin nung nag-join ako ng business na ito. May guest ba kayo kung ano? Talagang sabi ko sa aking mentor, sabi ko, wow, Jeans, I never regret talaga na nag-join ako ng business. Even if I don't have any idea or even if I don't have any experience or even if I don't know what to do, wow, it's a wow talaga. And this is what I want to share to my And this is what I want to share to my ano, aba, ang galing ni Gina, training site. And this is what I want to share to my all of my business partners and to my incoming and inboarding na 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 community. Pang second siguro gano'n, eh. And to the one, na incoming na aking mga business partners, yung sinasabi ko talaga, it's the training site. So yes, that is the one, it's the training site talaga. So yes, sis. Actually pangalawa yung ano, yung community, when it comes to the business. So yes, it's the training site talaga. O tama si Tita Beth at saka si, Jeans. And that is what I'm telling to my and sharing to my business partners and to my inboarding, incoming, business partners. Kasi talagang napawaw naman talaga ako sa training site. Kasi nga, yun nga, kahit na hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula, hindi ko alam kung saan ako, hindi ko alam kung paano magpatakbo ng business, wala talaga akong idea, at saka hindi ko alam kung kailan ako magsisimula at hindi ko alam kung ano yun, yung sasabihin ng katawan ko na kaya ko na ba? Yun. Yun yung unang sinabi ko talaga kay Gina. Kasi iniisip ko din na hindi naman puwedeng, kasi may full-time ang ano, eh, ang aking mentor which is si Gina talaga. Hindi naman puwede naka-full-time siya, hindi naman puwedeng lagi kong bubulabugin si Gina kasi lalo't lalo na alam kong night shift siya. Kaya sabi kong ganyan, I'm very, very thankful that when I unlocked the training site and started watching, listening to those training site and started doing it in my computer alone, I was able to say na I'm confident that I can make this business run. Yun yung unang yun yung talagang nagpasabi sa akin na, "Oh yes, this is the business that I'm looking for, na hindi ako mawawala at puwede akong tumayo kahit na mag-isa ko lang." Sabi ko. Kaya sabi ko ganyan, eh, nung na-open ko yung training site na yun is yes, I've spent a lot of money kasi instead of enrolling into sabi ko na nga kahit nasa TESDA na lang ako mag-e-enroll, eh. Nag-inquire na ako sa TESDA, just to ask for kung how much is the enrollment because they have an online class for entrepreneurship and I really want to have a business. That's why I want to learn. That's why I inquired the TESDA on how much will I spend at saka kung kailan magi-start ang kanilang lesson for the entrepreneurship course. Pero dumating yung business na ito and I saw that training site. It was like, oh my gosh, wow, nakatipid ako ng malaki. Tsaka, ang kagandahan pa nun, I'm also taking care of my health, o 'di ba? Yung sa business na 'to and then when I saw the training site, I was like, lumaki talaga ang mata ko, talaga wala akong masabi. Kaya I'm very, very thankful that we have this training site na puwede mong balik-balikan on your own, which is yun nga ang kagandahan kasi it's a one-time payment and you have it on your computer, you have it on your phone, you can open it and then you can go back anytime you want. So you can learn things on your own pace, and at the comfort of your home while running your business. So, ang kagandahan pa nito, nakapag-start ka na ng business mo while your training is ongoing. And kagandahan, yun nga, tumatakbo na yung business mo habang natututo ka. And while you're learning, nasa training site while you are learning your business on the training site, ina-apply mo na siya agad, which is yun yung maganda. And yun nga yung, kaya nga sabi ko kay Jeans, just give me time. Just give me time to watch this training site and it took me a month. More than magto 2 months na actually. And I did not, kasi hindi ako tech savvy, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo. I just post what I took on the kung ano yung pinicture ko, yun na yung pino-post ko. At saka nung kaya nga sabi ko kasi papaano 'tong digital online business, papaano 'to ginagawa at tsaka paano siya nag-e-execute at tsaka papaano naging attraction marketing. Bakit naging attraction marketing? Eh, hindi naman ako maganda, hindi naman ako hindi naman ako maganda, hindi naman ako matalino or hindi naman ako, witty na puwedeng alam mo 'yun, na puwedeng magpatawa or hindi naman ako entertainer. So, papaano ako magpapa-attract ng tao na paano ako magsisimula na mag-a-attract ng tao, hindi ko alam ang gagawin. So, the good thing is, yun nga, that's why it took me a month, well, more than a month to start the business because I was able to answer those questions as I started my training. Kaya ako nalaman na bakit nga ba digital business? Bakit nga ba attraction marketing? Bakit nga ba pang long term ang business na 'to, so and so on and so forth na ang dami mo pang questions na tatanungin sa sarili mo at saka papaano nga ba itong system na 'to, papaano yung digital online business system na 'to na sinasabi nila. So, there are questions and questions that will come up along the way but it will be uncovered one by one as you go along with your training. That is why we have this training site to answer all your questions. O, 'di ba? So, yun dun talaga ako natuwa at saka dun ako nakakuha ng lakas ng loob that I can make it on my own. I can stand on my own kahit na wala si Gina. Ah! Wag naman. Wag naman, hindi mo lang joke lang yun, Jeans, kasi alam ko nanonood ka. So, yes, sabi ni Cheryl, yeah, better luck next time, Cheryl, joke. And JK, my phone and Wi-Fi. Oy, yun ang favorite mo. Oo, kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-importante. So, those are our favorite things that we have in our pocket. Sabagay, we have a world-class training site. Yes, world-class talaga. Because I won't open the training site kung wala yun. Yes, tama ka nga. Phone and Wi-Fi, yes. Because you really cannot open because it's because nga ba, sabi nga namin digital siya. So that is why we are in the digital world. We are in the virtual world. That's why we cannot open it without our phone and Wi-Fi. Tama nga naman si JK. And then si Jeans, it took her almost 2 months before she came out. Hehehe. Yeah, because I told her na hindi ko nga talaga alam na kung ano nga ba ang digital, bakit tinawag na digital, digital online, alam ko kasi nag-online naman ako eh. But digital, paano nga ba naging digital yon? Tapos paano nga ba naging attraction marketing yon? So, yun yung kagandahan. Kaya sabi ko, I have to go on my training first before I will execute something or will step in para alam ko din kung ano ang i-entrada ko, 'di ba? So, and then when I was reviewing, yung kagandahan nito, because of this Canva, because of this, training site, I was able to, nung nagre-review kami ni Jeans kanina, sabi ko, I think we have to do our struts. I think I have to go back on my training site because they keep on updating our training site, which is good kasi hindi ka lang magi-stick sa kung ano yung unang nadatnan mo. You have to go back every now and then because in our world today, the trends is always changing or it keeps on changing. So we have to be on the trend. So I think that's what I've shared with Gina a while ago, that I think we have to go back on our training and then yun nga, it says na yun nga yung dahil paiba-iba ang trend kaya bumalik kami. Tapos nung binalikan namin yung yung mga past na postings, parang natuwa kami kasi we were able to see how we improved a lot and we were able to see ano nga bang unang pinost namin noon nung nagsimula kami ng business. So yun yung maganda. And aba, so make it loud, mentor. Aba, yes, I know, right? Make it loud. Training site, training site. So, Ngayon kayang-kaya mo na, girl. I'm proud of you, girl. I'm proud of and a happy mentor here. Yes, and thank you to Jeans who introduced the business, really. So thank you, JK from Korea. Aba, talaga naman. And thank you so much for coming into my live. It was fun actually because it's very entertaining right now. And yun yung nakakatuwa ng puso kasi we are all supporting to each other, and because we also have this training site that is teaching us what to do, di ba? So, yun yung kagandahan. And, aba, eto, ano to? Anong sabi mo, JK? Shout out nga muna at ano, kailan ka nag-start ng mag-post? Actually, looking back, ni-review namin ni Jesus lang kanina. Looking back, I started no, I paid the 149 September 19 nasa September 19 when I engaged into or know more about the business September 19, and then I got my business September 24. So September 24 pala, I thought all the while ang alam ko is anniversary ko pala ng September 25, pero hindi pala. Ni-review ulit namin September 24. So September 24 where I received my business package. And I started postings October 17. Oh, so it really took a month. October 17 or 19. Yung day na yun, October 17 or 19. So it really took me a month because yun nga, yun yung talagang sinabi ko kay Jeans na I have to know more about this before I will execute. So that's what I'm encouraging to everyone, to all my business partners, to those who don't know where to start or how to start, or to those who still searching or looking for something na papaano nila gagawin. Just go back or start on your training site. That is phenomenal at saka world class talaga. Doon mo masisimula. At saka madali lang siyang maintindihan. It's for everyone. Madali lang talagang maintindihan. Hindi tulad ng hindi tulad ng talagang nursing or yung charting pa nga lang namin na if you are a nurse and you are using Epic or Meditech to chart, it's so hard to understand. Pero itong training site namin, it's so easy peasy. Madali lang siya. Pakinggan mo lang, panoorin mo lang at gawin mo. I-try mo lang na gawin on your own. Mas madali siyang maintindihan at mag-enjoy ka pa. Not like yung epic training nga, it will take you 3 days to finish the tapos wala pang pumapasok sa utak mo, lumabas doon lahat. Tapos yung yung may 3 months ka pang parang orientation period for that epic nung kaka-start lang namin, wala pa rin, hindi pa rin namin makuha-kuha hanggang ngayon na. Hanggang ngayon na nga wala pa akong ang dami ko pang hindi alam sa Epic, mas may alam pa ako sa aking business. So, yes, guys. So, that's it for today. Oh my gosh. I hope you've learned something from our topic for today. And I hope I was able to deliver. And we all know that life is better with kindness and with a smile. And don't let the hard days win, right? Find strength, keep going, and rise above. So, yun ang sinasabi ko, if you feel, to all my business partners, if you feel like you're down, if you feel like bumababa ang self-esteem ninyo or your self-confidence, you know what? One of the reasons why I'm always motivated and I keep on going, nararamdaman ko din 'yan. I feel down, I feel low, I feel yung self-confidence ko bumababa din. And especially kapag may siyempre may nilalapitan kang may in-offer ka tapos hindi titingnan. I always feel down too and nakaka-stress din. Pero I always go back on my training, and it's the one that's motivating me. Because in the training site, hindi lang kasi yung training site na 'yon, it does not show how you will run your business. It will really share you the whole community, and you will see their faces, their stories in the because we have this millionaires mastermind, right? So that mastermind alone is you will see those people na hindi pa successful kasi lahat shine-share nila. Yung hindi pa successful, yung nagsisimula pa lang, they're sharing their stories. Those successful people, they're sharing their stories. And what they're sharing is a golden nuggets na kung saan mo makikita kung saan sila nagkamali. Sinishare nila yon. Saan ka makakita ng ganun na isi-share nila yung parang sekreto nila, ano, yung parang recipe nila sa business. Saan ka makakita ng ganun? I don't see any businesses like that they will share their own recipe on how to run their own business. And then, kung hindi yun nag-resonate sa'yo, hindi lang iisang story yun. Hindi lang iisang recipe. Iba-ibang recipe yon na pwede kang mamili kung saan yung mag-fit sa'yo at saka kung saan yung comfortable sa'yo. Yun yung nakakatuwa. Kaya parang sabi ko wow, talagang doon din ako na, ano, kaya if every time naisip ko tuloy, every time I feel stupid. No. Every time I feel nakakababa at saka parang pag minsan, nafe-feel ko din na pag minsan parang wala akong kaalam-alam. Alam mo yun? Na feeling mo wala kang kaalam-alam, na feeling mo parang parang walang basta down na down ka, na parang wala kang ginagawa, or feeling mo kulang pa yung ginagawa mo. I always go back there, and then yun na naman, mamo-motivate na naman ako kasi there's a lot of people na yung sa community namin na mapapakinggan mo yung mga kwento, at saka yun nga, i-share nila talaga yung golden nuggets na yung mga recipe nila. So talagang ang dami mong ways na pwede mong gawin, na kung hindi magki-click yung isa, meron yung isa, o 'di ba? So yun yung maganda, ay hindi lang iisang recipe ang sinusunod dito, which is good. Kaya sabi ko na mastermind na training site kasi everything is in there. So step by step, hindi lang yung kung paano mo i-run yung business. So that's the thing. Tapos, yun nga kung kailan pa ano, kaya thank you JK, thank you Jeans, kailan ka nag-start na mag-post? Na-share ko na, 'di ba? Ano, October 17 or 19, yeah, October 17 or 19. So it's really after a month bago ako nag-start na mag-post. Tapos coming up na, and ito pa-shoutout lang sa mga ating mga viewers ngayon. That's the blueprint of the business. Oo. At saka, hi Sis Lay. Thank you so much for coming into my live. Thank you. And true, sabi ni Sis Shay. Tama. Thank you, Sis Lay. So sa aking mga business partners, huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob. If you think that you're not doing enough, you are doing enough. Just continue on what you are doing, but get better every day. Kapag paminsan-minsan isa-isa ka lang nagpo-post, or parang feeling mo parang hindi gumagana yung pino-post mo, hindi gumagana yun, wag kang panghinaan ng loob, kasi maybe you need more, or maybe you need more to push yourself, or maybe you need more. Kung once a day ka lang nagpo-post, what if try it twice a day? O, 'di ba? Parang gano'n, you have to get better every day. So, wag sabi nga ng lola ko wag kang ano na 'to, wag kang magstay lang sa grade 1. Natapos mo na nga grade 1, nasa ano ka na, alangan na babalik ka na naman, or hanggang grade 1 ka na lang, yun ang sabi niya. So sabi ko, dun naman ako natuwa kasi alangan nga grade 1 ka, kat grade 2 ka matunan, wala na. So 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 yun ang yan ang aking sharing ngayon. So parang maganda yung topic, no? But I hope all of my business partners, wag talaga kayong panghinaan. I think you have to get better, kasi ako din noon ganyan. Nung nag-start ako, nag-start ako na nag-training site, ini-start ko lang. I will test it. sabi ni Jeans, parang yung alam naintindihan ko si Gina, eh, na she wants to do a, shortcut kasi yun nga yung gusto natin mabilisan din. If you really want a fast ano, kung gusto mo ng mabilisang result, you really have to go to the pace of your mentor or go to the pace of your coach na talagang gagawin mo talaga ang ginagawa nila. Na halos ano, sasabayan mo ang ginagawa nila. You have to take on their shoes na talagang bibilisan mo din. But if you're starting and you don't know anything, it's better to go back to your training site and yun nga, be coachable na sundan mo rin ang mga sinasabi nila. Pero pag gusto mo ng shortcut at mabilisan, sige, isuot mo yung sapatos na sinusuot nila para tingnan mo kung makakaya mo. I'm pretty sure mahihirapan ka and you have to go back. As what the training site said, there's a lot of people that I've heard from the mastermind that they did everything, but they ended up without going thoroughly to their training site, but they ended up going back again. So that's the beauty of it. That's why you have to go to your training site because that training site alone is phenomenal. Na sabi ni si Shay, yun yung ano. Kaya wag mag-shortcut. Magandang mag-shortcut kapag mabilis kang ano, kaya mo ang pace ng mga mentor at mga coaches mo. Pero if you don't grasp the whole idea or the whole picture of what you are doing, it's better to start on your training site. 'Di ba? Sabi ni Sis Jeans, that was when I had a small mind. LOL. I wanted shortcut. I wanted success right away. Oh yeah, because my mentor na si Jeans, that's what she said to me too. At saka doon ako natuto sa kanya actually na madaling madaling mag-shortcut, madaling gumawa ng madaling mag-shortcut. But the thing is, were you able to grasp everything? Were you able to know where you gonna go back or kung saan mo nakuha yung mga ideas na yon at saka kung saan mo babalikan na kung alam mo kung saan mo hugutin, yun ang tanong eh. At saka kaya mo bang i-mentor yung ano mo, no, yung mentor mo kasi iba-iba actually. That's why we have to go back on our training site because our training site will teach everything because if you have a business partner, you don't know the mentality or hindi mo alam ang capability ng mind nung mga business partners mo. So iba-iba 'yan. And this training site will help you, will guide you on how to kung papaano mo i-handle yung mga business partners na ganun. Kasi some they will be very slow, some will be very fast, and some will just don't care na susunod na lang sa apak mo. Ganon. So if you were have a tool na training site na yon, you know how to guide them, you know how to support them, and you know how to help them in the right way. O, di ba? So, yeah, tulad din ng pagturo sa amin ng aming coach na si Coach Lynn na because of this helping community that we have, right mindset, right attitude, that's the one that we are learning from. And that's the one that we are learning from our training site also. That is the one that we are passing on to our business partners. And I have heard a lot of people na they have the business but they don't know what to do because their mentors or their mentors coaches kasalanan pa ng coach, their mentors don't know what they are doing kasi nag-shortcut sila. Ayan. So, yun ang ayaw naming mangyari. So, if possible, please, we only have, just give it like 30 minutes a day. Yeah. Just to go back to the training site. Kaya pakisabi sa ating business partners, please go to your training site and work on your mindset. Have a mind shift first to become better and become successful. Yes. By genes. So yes, diyan talaga nagsisimula. Have a proper mindset. Sa mindset lang talaga nagsisimula kapag may business ka. Actually, lahat ng mga businesses, it's the mindset. And if you don't know what we are talking about, go on the training site and then learn what is mindset. So, kasi doon talaga sinisimulan 'yun. And, yung karamihan nga na may business ngayon, 'di ba, lahat ng mga may, individual businesses, those who have individual businesses and those who are on traditional businesses, they just jumped in and then later on, they just learned what mindset is. After they have learned all the failures, uh, after they have learned all the mistakes, ayan, tsaka nila na tututunan kung ano ba talaga ang mindset. So, wag naman sa atin, 'di ba? Kaya sa atin yung napakaganda sa business natin na ito, we already have that tool and they are ready to prepare our mind. All we have to do is to go to our training site and learn those things and learn how to prepare our mindset for that, 'di ba? Yun yung kagandahan. And I think that's the thing that I want to share. So, to those who are looking for a business or aspiring to be entrepreneurs, I'm telling you guys that this is a gold mine. Kasi saan ka makakakita ng business na yun nga, na this is considered as an individual business. Our business is an individual business, which is you will really have a franchise. And the thing is, kasi pagka individual business yung sinasabi, you will learn it on your own, 'di ba? You will learn from your own mistakes. You will rise up from your own mistakes, which is yun yung mas mahirap kasi if you're an individual business, you will just you will invest money kasi business naman to so you have to really to invest money. But for individuals and traditionals, you will invest money but you will later on learn from your mistakes and your struggles or your failures. Nakapagpalabas ka na ng malaki. Ang laki na ng mga nilabas mo, wala ka pang nababawi kahit na konti. Which is yun yung napakasakit kapag magbi-business ka talaga. And that's the one that you have to prepare because so that is why they are telling that if you will start a business, you will have a lot of amount of money to have to compensate yung 3 months, 6 months na magi-start ka ng business na walang puhunan or na walang returns to compensate those months na 3 months, 6 months. Usually ganyan yung sinasabi nila para kaya mong i-maintain yung business mo. But here, you will be very very lucky if you will be looking for a one business or aspiring entrepreneur to join our business because in our business everything will be ilalatag na lahat 'yan. So hindi mo na uulitin yung mga maling ginawa, hindi mo na ulitin yung mga failures na ginawa, 'yan. Which is yun yung kagandahan. And the good thing is we have this training site where you will learn everything and it's on your own pace pa. And yung kagandahan, hindi lang ikaw ang mag-isa ang kahit na this is considered as individual business. You will not be working alone because you have your mentors, your coaches who is very willing to teach you or to support you or to guide you, o 'di ba? So ang gagawin mo man lang be coachable. Yun yung isa, be coachable lang. And learn things na matututo ka. Yun yung talagang pinaka-importante. Tapos, makaka-save ka ng malaking pera dahil training pa lang, courses pa lang, ang dami mo ng gastos. In our business, you will only spend a one-time fee payment. And if you don't like it, then you can retract anytime. So yun yung kagandahan. And the third thing is in your business, you are taking care of your health as well as your wealth. So it's as I've told you, it's just like a one-time investment wherein you will kasi business to, you will invest something, after that it's parang take away na yung business na ilalakad mo kung gusto mong may magbabago sa buhay mo. So yon. So I think mapapahaba na tayo. I think I have to up to here na ang aking i-share. And sabi ni Sis Jeans, our business partners are blessed. We onboard them individually. Yeah, yun yung kagandahan. Kasi here in our, if you will join our business, we will guide you one by one. So you will be assigned a mentor who will help you along the way. At saka talagang one by one. So we really have a connection. We have a special connection, no? Di ba? Connection, connection, connection. so so 'di ba? So napupunta din lang sa Tree of Life. So, yes. So, parang ang aking business na ito is I will associate it with a Tree of Life wherein it symbolizes a life connection to everyone and to humanity. So, so parang ganun nakakonect. Kaya ako na-discuss ang Tree of Life. So I think that is for today. And thank you so much for having me, for watching on my live for today. And hope I was able to give you some nuggets to inspire you guys on this Monday, starting of the week. So yeah, thank you so much for everyone. And may isa akong word na gustong i-share na ito. So last piece of word or saying na sinabi ko dito is ito. Life is what you create, or life is what you make it. So make what you want to happen. Life is what you make it. So make what you want to happen. Oh, ba? Yun lang yung pinost ko sa aking TikTok today. So, yes, nasa sayo kung ano ang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, at saka nasa sayo ang desisyon. If you want to make your life or if you want to change your life for better and for good, then just check our website, www.josonkit.com, and check our business. You will see a video, a 90-minute free info session or free webinar, and it will talk about our digital online business overview. That is only the trailer, but the whole thing, the whole package, you will see it in step 2, which is I encourage to everyone and advise everyone to please do so, to proceed on step 2, to see the beauty of our the blueprint or the black and white of our business. And if you want it, then welcome aboard and join our fun business, and we will enjoy the business together, or the journey together. But it's no commitment at all. If you think that it's not fit for you, you can always retract, and you can always say no. And thank you. Yes, that's it. So thank you so much, and have a blessed Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow again on our 58th day of our 90-day success challenge. And that's it for today. Thank you so much, and have a good day. My name is Julianne again, and I'm a business owner and a business mentor, where we help individuals to jumpstart their online businesses. And thank you guys for watching. Check on my website, please, www.josonkit.com. Thank you, and have a blessed Monday, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.